In this video, we listed the 5 best table saws that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. DeWalt FlexVolt Table Saw. The DeWalt battery-powered tool offers the flexibility of corded power with the freedom of cordless operation, featuring the world's first battery that automatically adjusts voltage based on the tool in use. Designed for versatile cutting, it has a 24-inch rip capacity, making it suitable for ripping 4x8 plywood or OSB sheets. The rack and pinion telescoping fence rails ensure smooth and precise adjustments, while the durable metal roll cage base provides enhanced durability compared to plastic alternatives. Additionally, the tool includes a power loss reset feature to prevent accidental restarts after a power disruption if the switch is left in the on position. It is compatible with materials such as wood, plastic, and metal, making it a reliable choice for various projects. Number 2. Skil 15-amp Table Saw. The Skil table saw is a versatile and efficient tool designed for precise woodworking tasks. Featuring rack and pinion fence rails, it ensures the fence remains parallel to the blade for fast, smooth, and accurate cuts. The integrated folding stand allows for easy portability and convenient storage, while the parallel blade alignment offers micro adjustments to keep the blade aligned with the rip fence and miter slot. With a 4x4 cutting capacity at 90 degrees and a bevel capacity ranging from 2 to 47 degrees with quick release stops at 0 and 45 degrees, this saw is built for a variety of cutting needs. Additionally, the dust port elbow helps redirect dust into a container for hassle-free cleanup. Powered by a corded electric source, this high-speed steel blade tool is an excellent choice for woodworking on wood surfaces. Number 3. Bosch 40-100XE 10 Table Saw. The Bosch table saw is a powerful and versatile tool designed for precision and efficiency in woodworking. Equipped with a 15-amp motor delivering 4.0 max HP and 3,650 RPM, it is capable of rip cutting and cross-cutting fine and rough materials. Its large cast aluminum top offers ample workspace with a 30-inch ripping capacity, while features like soft start circuitry minimize startup intensity and reduce the risk of tripping circuit breakers. The saw includes advanced functionalities such as constant response circuitry to maintain speed under load, restart protection to avoid accidental startups, and a square-lock rip fence for enhanced accuracy. The portable design integrates seamlessly with the lighter GTA 47W gravity rise wheeled stand for easy mobility and quick setup. Safety features include the Smart Guard system with a riving knife, anti-kickback poles, and a guard assembly for protection without obstructing the view of the cut. Additionally, onboard storage ensures convenient access to all included components. Number 4. Powermatic 10-inch Table Saw. The Powermatic table saw is a high-performance, corded electric tool designed for precision and safety in woodworking. Featuring a 30-inch accu fence for rigidity and accuracy, it ensures smooth operation with its precision ground cast iron work surface and Poly belt drive system, which reduces vibration and maximizes efficiency. The saw includes a sturdy miter gauge that pivots 60 degrees for versatile cutting angles, while the toolless guard assembly with independent side leaves enhances safety. Blade changes are made simple with the arbor lock, allowing one-handed adjustments with minimal tools, and ergonomically designed 7-inch handwheels enable easy blade adjustments. Additional features include conveniently located hands-free power controls, an anti-fatigue mat for user comfort, and a pack of saw blades, making this tool both user-friendly and highly functional for woodworking projects. Number 5. SawStop 10-inch Saw. The SawStop table saw is a high-quality woodworking tool designed for precision, safety, and efficiency. Featuring a 30-inch premium aluminum fence assembly, it ensures smooth operation and precise measurements. Its patented safety system halts the spinning blade upon skin contact, stopping it in under 5 milliseconds and dropping it below the table to reduce serious injuries to minor scratches. Built with unmatched quality, the trunnion and arbor provide strength and stability, while the gas piston elevation system allows for smooth adjustments. The table offers exceptional flatness with a maximum diagonal gap of 0.010 inches. Dust collection is highly efficient, capturing 99% of debris above and below the table, with an optional overarm dust collection system available. Equipped with a reliable control box housing the on-off switch, power paddle, and an onboard computer, the system constantly monitors performance to ensure user safety. Powered by a robust 3 horsepower motor, this saw is ideal for precise woodcutting tasks.